I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates fell sharply on Friday after a major bank said it was boosting its loan loss reserves because of an escalating tide of defaults and foreclosures on residential and commercial mortgages. Money from nervous investors flowed into the bond market, and that helped push mortgage yields lower. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 5% with 1 3/8 points, down 3/8 of a point from Thursday, for a savings of $375 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate is now at just 5/8 of 1 point, also down 3/8 of a point from Thursday. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down as well, with the 4 3/8% rate now at 1 1/8 points. The 4 5/8% rate is now at no points at all. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service, just $1 a day. December consumer prices rose just 0.1%, which was below analyst expectations, and a sharp drop from November. 2 weeks from now, we will see the first report on October through December gross domestic product, the broadest measure of economic growth. It is expected to have been robust as business spending surged and inventories grew in anticipation of better times ahead. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Sunday for my next free mortgage rate update.